In this short guide, I will show how to buy shares of Headlam Group Plc. Headlam is a UK floor coverings distributor listed on LSE PLC under the ticker HEAD.L, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To trade, you need to use a broker. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker HEAD.L to locate the listing. Make sure you select the correct Headlam Group Plc result from the search list. Open the asset page to review the company summary and the price chart shown on the page. Confirm that the page references Headlam Group Plc and the ticker HEAD.L before continuing. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or handled according to the broker rules, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming the purchase. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. A soft link to eToro is included in the description if you want to visit the platform.